What if I told you that there's a gambling city in Asia that makes 5 times the annual revenue as Las Vegas? It's pretty insane to think about, but it's a real place, and it's called Macau. It's my 3rd time here since 2014, and I'm just as amazed with each visit. Before we learn about the bizarre gambling scene, you cannot come to Macau without understanding its most astonishing fact. It was both the first and last European colony in Asia. The Portuguese arrived on fishing boats in the mid-16th century, and they left 400 years later in 1999. Until today, Macau feels very European, with cobblestone streets, colorful buildings, delicious egg tarts,
they're amazing.
And old church ruins. Even the street signs are still in Portuguese, but the irony is that the population is overwhelmingly Chinese.
My name is Andy. White Chan.
Where are you from?
I'm from China.
Just like nearby Hong Kong, which is only 40 miles away, Macau acts as an independent country, but is technically owned by China. Out of Macau's 30 million visitors a year, a whopping 90% of them come from the mainland. Most people come as a day trip to gamble, which is pretty much what my family and I are doing today. So that is the Grand Lisboa, the tallest building here in Macau. We're gonna head in there and gamble right now.
I'm winning big time.
Macau is centered around gambling, and it's home to 8 of the 10 largest casinos in the world. Do you like to gamble here in Macau? It has replicas of casinos in Vegas, like the Wynn, MGM Grand, and Venetian.
This is the biggest casino in the world!
At 500,000 square feet. But unlike Vegas, there isn't much entertainment or nightlife here. There are no signs for Cirque du Soleil shows or DJs playing at nightclubs. Macau is more of just gambling, which the Chinese love to do more than any other group of people. Macau is absolutely worth a day trip from Hong Kong if you want to see, smell, taste, and feel something new, and hopefully you'll leave richer than you came. I'm Drewbinsky, and if you like my travel videos, please click subscribe and join me as I plan to visit every country in the world. It's electric, it's sexy, it's tasty, it's confusing, but above all, it's futuristic. The Japanese are innovators. They somehow